Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can get the CapCut apps on your PC. So I think this video is for those of you who don't know that there is a PC version of CapCut and you have to know how to easily install it. So I am using Windows 11 here and I think it's the same on Windows 10 too. Yeah, okay. So first you can select the start button, just click on it and you can search for Microsoft Store. Just open it, and after you open the Microsoft Store, you are just going to search on the search field, select search for the CapCut, and after appears the CapCut apps, you can select install. Just click on install button, but here I have installed it. So once it is successfully installed, you just open it. Just open it, and then you are just going to log into your account and start for editing. So it's loading. Okay, just wait. It's take a long time after you finish installing. So yeah. So guys, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it already. So thank you so much for watching.